Good morning, dear learners. I welcome you all to yet another math online class. In today's session, we shall discuss the subtraction of decimals. So let's get started. So here we begin with a problem. 64 rupees 23 paise from 87 rupees 23 paise. So here you just look at here. 64 rupees 23 paise from 87 rupees 23 paise. Here we are subtracting the first amount from the second amount. So as per the question given, we have to write the second amount first, that is 87.23, because from 87.23 we are subtracting 64.23. So from which number we are subtracting the other number, that particular number we write first. So that is, in this problem, from 87.23 we are subtracting 64.23. So 87.23 we have to write first when we write the numbers in column wise. Then next number, then from this number 64.23 is subtracted. Then let us subtract it. So 3 to 3 0, 2 to 2 0, then decimal point, 4 to 7 3, 6 to 8 is 2. So the difference is 23. So 23 rupees is the difference. So let's move to the next problem. So here next problem, 102.67 meter from 110 meter. So as I said in the first problem, from 110 meter we are subtracting 102.67. So from where we are subtracting, from which amount, from which number we are subtracting, that particular number we have to write first, that is here 110 meter. So in the second number there are two places, decimal places are there, therefore for the first number also we provide two decimal places, that is 110.00. Then we write the second decimal number, that is 102.67. Now we are subtracting. So for subtracting we have to borrow. So from this one is taken 0. Next place is 10. From this 10 1 is taken, borrowed. So next place become 10. Then from this 10 1 borrow. Then next place is 10. Now we subtract. 7 to 10 is 3. 6 to 9 is 3. Then decimal point. Then 2 to 9 is 7, then 0, then 0. So the difference is 7.33 meter. 7.33 meter is the difference. Let's move to the next problem. Next problem, 4.098 kilometer from 9.128 kilometer. So in this problem, 4.098 from taken away from 9.128. So from which number we are taking the first taking away the first one, that is second number. From second number, so from second number we have to write here first, that is 9.128 kilometer minus 4.098 kilometer. Now let us subtract. So kilometer first, 8 to 8 0, 9 to 2 we have to borrow. So we borrow 1 from next place, that is 0, that place becomes 0, here it is 12. 9 to 12 difference is 3, then 0, decimal point, 4 to 9 5. So the difference is 5.030 kilometer. Next problem, 0.428 kilogram from 7.628 kilogram. So here from 7.628 kilogram, 0.428 kilogram is subtracted. So first we write 7.628 kilogram minus 0.428 kilogram. Then we subtract. So kilogram, 8 to 8 0, 2 to 2 0, 4 to 6 is 2, decimal point 7. So the difference is 7.200 kilogram. Next, let us learn next type of problem. Find the difference of. So first one, it is already given. So we write the problems as given. So we don't need to change the order here. So we write 7.623 minus 3.04. Second number, only 2 decimal places are there. So we can give one more decimal place in order to have 3 places in both the numbers. Then we can subtract. So here 3 will come. 4 to 2 we borrow 1 from 6. 6 becomes 5. Here it becomes 12. So 4 to 12 difference is 8. Then 5 is written down. Decimal point 3 to 7 it is 4. So 4.583 is the difference. Let's move to the next problem. 31.04 minus 15.43. So we write 31.04 minus 15.43. So 3 to 4 1. 4 to 0 we borrow 1 from 1. So this 1 becomes 0. Next place is 10. So 4 to 10 difference is 6 decimal point. Then from this 3 1 borrow. So this 3 become 2. Next place 10. So 5 to 10 5. Then 1 to 2 1. So the difference is 15.61. See next problem. 14.8 minus 7.98. In the second number there are 2 decimal places are there. So let's give 2 decimal places for the first number also, that is after 8 we can give a 0. Then now we can subtract. So as we subtract we borrow 1 from 8. 8 become 7. This next place become 10. 8 to 10 2. 9 to 7 not possible. So we borrow 1 from 4. 4 become 3 and this 7 become 17. 9 to 17 difference is 8 decimal point. 7 to 3 not possible, borrow 1, so it become 13. So 7 to 13 is 6. So the difference is 6.82. See the last problem. 47.5 minus 1.987. The second number has 3 decimal places but first number has only 1. So let us give first number also 3 decimal places, that is after 5 2 0. Now we subtract. From 5 1 borrow, this become 4, next place become 10. From this 10 1 borrow, 10 become 9, next place become 10. 7 to 10 difference is 3. 8 to 9 1. 9 to 4 we borrow 1 from 7. 7 become 6 and this 4 become 14. So 9 to 14 difference is 5. Then decimal point 1 to 6 difference is 5, then 4. So the difference is 45.513. So I hope it helpful. Thank you all of you. Have a great day ahead.